Hi children, in the last class what we have learned about the oscillations, vibration and amplitude of sound wave. What do you mean by amplitude? The maximum displacement of an oscillating body from its central position is called its amplitude. So here we can take the example of the wave. So the two waves, that means the peak of that wave, we call it as the distance, we call it as the wavelength. Then here we can see the amplitude. Is it? Yes. SI unit of this is nothing but density or pressure. Next, let me go for loudness and pitch of sound. The loudness of sound depends upon the amplitude of vibration. If the amplitude is less, the sound is feeble. If the amplitude is more, the sound is loud. The unit of loudness is called decibels. dB. We are going to write with dB. The pitch of sound depends upon the frequency of vibration. So the loudness of sound depends on amplitude of vibration. Then the pitch of sound depends on frequency of vibration. Keep in mind children, if the frequency is less, the sound has low pitch. Example, sound of drum, sound of an adult, etc. If the frequency is more, the sound has a high pitch. Example, sound of a whistle, sound of a baby. Next, here is our human ears. How we hear sound through our ears. Sound enters the ear through the ear canal. It makes the eardrum to vibrate. The eardrum sends the vibration to the inner ear. From there, the signals go to the brain and then we hear the sound. In the diagram, we can see here the outer ear, eardrum, ear canal, middle ear, is it? Inner ear. So, the sound will goes and makes the eardrum to vibrate. Then here you can see the structure of the human ear. Next, persistence of hearing. The sensation of hearing of any sound persists in our brain for 0.1 second. This is called the persistence of hearing. The persistence of hearing helps us to get a feeling of continuity while hearing one sound after another. Then let me go for what do you mean by echo. So if the room is empty, if you talk or if you make a noise, once again it is going to hear for us, is it? Yes, that one only we call it as the echo. So how it causes? Due to the reflection of the sound. A repetition of sound produced by the reflection of sound waves from a wall, mountain or other abstracting surface is called echo. Echo is caused due to the reflection of the sound. So here it shows the graph for us. Okay. Hello, hello, hello. That means we can see the graph through that. So here let me go for the next topic is reverberation. Echoes may be heard more than once due to the repeated or multiple reflections of sound from several reflecting surfaces. This causes persistence of sound called reverberation. In big halls or auditoriums, to reduce reverberation, the roofs and walls are covered by sound absorbing materials like compressed fiber, boards, rough plaster or draperies. We have to observe that one. So if reverberation comes means we cannot hear the voice very clearly. That means multiple reflections of the echoes. Then what do you mean by audible and inaudible sound? Audible sound is sound which we can hear. It has the frequencies between 20 Hz. Hz is nothing but hertz. The frequency is measured in the hertz. So it has the frequencies 20 hertz to 20,000 hertz is our audible sound which we can hear. Then inaudible sound is sound which we cannot hear. It has the frequencies less than 20 hertz and more than 20,000 hertz. Sound whose frequencies are more than 20,000 hertz is called ultrasonic sound. Some animals like dogs can hear ultrasonic sound. Bats produce ultrasonic sound. So that's why sometime night times the dog will be barking and it makes different types of sounds because it may heard some other sounds. Due to that, that also will be like crying sound. Is it, children? We can hear that. Next, range of hearing. Human beings can hear sound frequency between 20 Hz to 2000 Hz. Sound whose frequency is less than 20 Hz is called infrasonic sound. Animals like dogs, elephants, rhinoceros, whales, etc. produce and hear infrasonic sounds. Sound whose frequency is more than 2000 Hz is called ultrasonic sound. Animals like dolphins, bats, rats, proboscis, etc. produce and hear ultrasonic sound. Bats use reflection of ultrasonic sound waves to detect an obstacle or its prey. That's why the bat cannot see daytime. It go and search for its prey night times by using of the sound. Which type of sound? Ultrasonic sound. Then what do you mean by noise? And what is the musical sound? Noise, unpleasant sounds are called noise, which you will make children in the classroom. That one we'll call it as the noise. It is produced by irregular or non-periodic vibrations. For example, all the students in the classroom speak together, a noise is produced. Is it? Yes. Then the teacher will say, hey, keep quiet, be quiet, don't make noise. Is it? Yes. So sound produced by horns of buses and trucks. Buses and trucks. Musical sound. Sound which is pleased to hear to the ears is called musical sound. It is produced by regular or periodic vibrations. Example, sounds produced by the musical instruments, sound of a person singing a song. So if you are being in a tension or any other things, just if you hear your lovely song or that is called as the musical, will feel very happy. Is it tension free? Yes. Next, what do you mean by noise pollution? The presence of excessive or unwanted sound in the environment is called as the noise pollution. So, causes of noise pollution, harmful effects of noise pollution, measures to limit the noise pollution. So, these are the things it is caused by our noise pollution. So, we can see here children by the instruments and where the people will gather by the JCP. These and all the reasons which we are getting the noise pollution. Okay, thank you.